I'm meeting with my cousin. We haven't seen. She's back. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at Orlando, surprise, surprise, and I am on my way to Disney Springs, thinking of going to Universal. I don't have any plans. Today I'm meeting with my cousin. We haven't seen each other in a while. I am taking the bus. Why am I gonna pay 20 bucks when I can just pay 2? It's 8:30. I'm supposed to get to Disney Springs the latest at like 9:50 something. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever I get to Disney Springs. The only two things that I really want to buy from here today is the Mater and Lightning McQueen like headband plushies. If you know me, you know I love cars. I'm trying to see if they have those available on any other stores. So yeah, let's see if I find them. We made it over here. Let's see. Bag is secured. Now I'm on my second stop. I don't know what's happening now, but all the Cars merch popping up in the parks, I'm into it. I love it. He did not just spray me. Look at me. I didn't find anything on that store, so I'm just gonna go to the pin trading one. Let's see if I find something. Look at the air. She's back. We're going to Universal. What are we waiting? We said we were gonna do the mummy, yeah? Yeah. Let's go.
Put it up behind you.
9-5 minute wait.
Yeah.
I wanna do it. I wanna do it. I'm gonna teach you how it's done. And that's how you do it. Thank you. Hi. SpongeBob. Hi, Patrick. It's a comfortable chair, not gonna lie. Okay, now get up. What is that kid doing over there? Cheers. So I just got back to the hotel. I am really happy that I was able to spend time with my family member. I have a flight tonight at like 10 p.m. at 7 p.m. And the park was packed. Never seen that park that busy. Like you couldn't even like walk. Like, that was insane. We just rode Mummy and literally left. That was the only thing that we did. But if you like this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.